Hello, in this video, we're going to be looking at the basics of running a report. To access the reports in Tempora, we'll click the Reports tab. On the left-hand side, we have a list of our report categories. We're going to choose Popular Reports, which are the most commonly run reports. And we're going to select Total Time by Client by Month. Now we have the Report Criteria page. On the left-hand side, we can select which company to run the report for if we have access to multiple companies. We can select which client we'd like to run this report for. We can select the project we'd like to run the report for. And we can select the activity we'd like to run the report for. For the time being, we're going to leave these settings as all. The detail level sets the level of detail that will be shown in the report. Selecting a filter will filter out all data that's not subject to that filter, and we'll come back to that in a moment. From period and to period allow you to set which date range to run the report for, and posted time only will show only time in the system that's posted, and all time will show all time in the system, regardless of if the timesheet is posted or saved. We'll run the report with its default settings. Here we can see we have a list of clients on the left-hand side. We have the months, and we have the total for each month by client. And at the bottom, we have the total for each period. If we wish to, we can look at a single client. We're going to do this by selecting a client in the client selection. We're going to select Museum, and we're going to run the report again. Now you can see the data that's returned is only for Museum. We're now going to change the detail level of this report to Project and run the report again. Now we can see the time split by each project for Museum. And if we run the report again, we can choose the detail level activity and run the report. And now we can see the client, the project, and the time broken down by each activity for each project. Again, we have our totals on the right-hand side, and we have our period totals at the bottom. If we select a filter, only data relating to that filter will be returned. For instance, if we select exhibition work and click Run, we're now only seeing time related to exhibition, as that's the activity this filter is targeting. Filters can target multiple clients, projects, or activities, depending on your requirements. If we click Cancel, you can also see that we can run a report for all clients if we wish to, at the detail level of activity. You can unselect a filter by clicking it and holding Control. This will deselect the filter. Now, if we run this report with the detail level set at activity and the client set as all data will be returned by each client, project, and activity. As this is a larger report, it's opened in a pop-up window. All reports in Tempora can be exported by clicking the Export button. You can choose to export the data as Excel, text, or PDF. If you wish to, you can also email this report to a colleague by clicking Email, completing the To address, attaching a message, and clicking Send. The report will then be sent to the email address you added to the To field, and you'll be CC'd on the email. If you have any questions regarding running reports, please click the Support button in the top right-hand corner of the screen to contact our team, who will be happy to answer any questions you may have.